Sneeze and bam, you've got super strength. Crazy idea, huh? Picture this, every time you sneeze, you get a random superpower for 10 minutes. 1 second, you're just you, and the next, you're invisible. Need to get somewhere fast, just sneeze and whoosh, super speed. Now what if you sneeze in class? Oops, telekinesis. Suddenly you're the coolest kid in school, but there's a catch. You never know what power you'll get. Maybe you'll end up breathing fire, yikes, or talking to animals. Hello squirrels, think you could handle it? Every sneeze is a surprise, just don't catch a cold. Or you'll be a superhero all day. So, sci-fi lovers, what superpower would you want from a sneeze? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild ideas.